Morning Weather with Jim Spencer.
Fourth day in a row that we have broken a record at Camp Mabry. Not just tied, but broken a record. That's only happened one other time in history in September. 4 consecutive days. That was back during that incredible heat wave in September of 2000. 103, the record high today. 101 out at the airport. Today is now the 85th day this summer. We've seen 100-degree heat. Number one on the all-time list by a mile. 69 days, the old record. We're not going to hit 100 for the next several days, so can we end the summer with this being the final number? Nice round 85 days. Let's hope so. Out there right now, skies are clear. It's 101 in the city at 8 o'clock tonight, 94 at 10 p.m. tonight, forecasting 87 degrees. While we're looking ahead to the planning forecast, let's go ahead and help you plan for tomorrow night. The big game. You're going to be hearing a lot more about this. San Marcos at Bastrop. Big game for a lot of reasons. If you're going to be at the stadium here, about 90 degrees at kickoff tomorrow night at 7:30, maybe even into the upper 80s as a little front comes in with an east wind. And while we're looking ahead, let's go right on ahead down here to Zilker Park, where there will be hundreds of thousands of folks over the course of the 3-day Austin City Limits Music Festival weekend. And we're just making one forecast because the weather should be the same every day. Partly cloudy. It's going to be hot any way you slice it, but not 100 to 105 hot. We're thinking 93 to 96 during the afternoon. 10% chance of a shower, and that may be liberal. That may be a little bit too high. Evenings will be pleasant in the 80s. The humidity will be a little higher, but pretty much the same weather each day. Not bad festival weather, about what you expect in September. 100 in Llano, 100 in Vernon, 100 in Marble Falls. Hundreds all through Williamson County and most of the rest of the area. Some 99s in Hayes County and upper 90s to right around 100 in our eastern counties. In Austin, it's 101 and we're mostly clear. Humidity up a little bit, but 21% still low. 100 out at the airport. Winds east-southeast to south-southeast. Still a little bit breezy. Mold count today, medium. Fall elm fell back into the low category and ragweed did too. Around the state, Dallas was 107 yesterday, 93 today. What is going on there? There's the front moving down into northwest Texas we've been talking about for a couple of days. Now, most of this, what looks to be rain on the radar, is evaporating. It's been so dry up there, but it does tell you there's a change in the weather pattern, and that front is coming our way. How far will it get? Well, we think it will settle on down here into our central Texas area tomorrow. It may not get much further to the south, but with a front in the area, we should see more clouds. We should see an easterly wind, and we should see temperatures stay below 100 tomorrow. That front might settle just south of us Thursday night, Friday morning, with a slight chance of a rain shower on the back side of that front. Again, less than a 20% chance through the whole time this front's in the area. It'll start moving back northward this weekend, but we still won't be able to rule out maybe 1 or 2 rain showers. They will be welcome, believe me, by most folks. There are your lows tonight. A little cooler, upper 60s, low 70s, and highs tomorrow, no 100s on the map. Thank goodness. Tonight in Austin, 73 with a south wind and a few more clouds coming into the sky late as that front approaches. Tomorrow, 97 clouds, a mix of clouds and sun. 10% is our rain chance, and again, that may be erring on the high side. 10% tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're hoping those temperatures don't get much higher than the mid-90s. If we're lucky, maybe they stay a little closer to the low 90s for the next day or two. Maybe a slightly better chance of rain early next week. And we're coming right back.